All right, this is a pretty special fan having a collection today. This is the 12-inch Better Homes and Gardens uh, oscillating fan from Walmart. Um, I think there was another model of this fan with the brand on the badge of the fan, and then I think there was, I don't know, and then a different oscillator button, and then it had the slide switch rather than being a switch like this one. But yeah, it's not really the fan as I expected it to be, but overall not bad. The bearings on this fan are actually quite free on this. They're already continuing spinning. I love it. Has a gold badge. Even that real rattly cage. You hear this? That thing rattles like crazy. Has an aluminum blade, I think. And they're not actually spatula blades. They're like, I don't know, but they're different from any other metal fans that used to be older. So so far, I actually have this one. I still have to get the smaller one, the 8-inch model, and then the 6-inch pedestal fan version of this. But for now, I have the 12-inch one, and this thing actually goes well with my other 12-inch fans, except it's a bit shorter. As you can see, it's a bit shorter, but does that really even affect the difference of the fan? What really makes this fan heavy is the motor, and it's not really the rubber. I'm not sure if the base is weighted. I think the base is cast iron. I don't know if it's cast aluminum. It has a really sturdy handle. And even though it's a part of the grill, it's actually bent back a little bit so I can actually grip it. The oscillator knob, I don't know if it looked like this before, but the motor cover also is different a little bit, but also it doesn't click the oscillator as it's, I don't know, but that's because it works differently than just plastic fans. It is made of metal, but it's not really as heavy as you might think it is. It also has this cloth-covered cord, which I do kind of like. It's basically the same sort of cord that you would see on most antique vintage fans. Alright. So now I'm going to start this up on low first. Oh yeah, and one thing I did discover is that the blade is bent. I'm not sure why, but this thing is shaking like crazy. And the oscillator actually is pretty smooth. It's medium. It's a really nice fan actually. It's pretty quiet. And here's high. And there's off. As you can see, it's shutting down while it's shaking. And the blade is bent. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see that. Yeah, you can kind of see that the blade is bent. But yeah, but there it is. That's my new Better Homes and Gardens 12-inch oscillating fan. Thanks for watching. Peace.